Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ, and Miss Dee Dee asked me, she said, we need some bananas, man, so she wanted me to go down to the grocery store and get her some bananas, so I'm at the grocery store. I gotta get me some bananas. That was simple. Quick checkout, ready to go. Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ with Miss Dee Dee, and today we are out spending every bit of our children's inheritance as we possibly can before we leave this mortal coil, leave this earth. Anyway, today we went to, where are we at? Sarasota Farmers Market. I think I brought you guys here before. I don't remember, but we're just out spending the day before the big hurricane comes. I think I've been through like maybe 60 hurricanes now, so it's pretty blasé for us. It's still out in the Gulf churning around. It's actually kind of looks like it's slated to go right up by where we're living. So anyway, got a couple days to get ready for that, which we don't get ready, we just shut the windows. And so anyway, that's where we're at. We're at the farmers market. I'm still out here, I'm still alive, I'm still making videos. The video that I actually was going to release had audio problems, so c'est la vie. We're gonna go look around. Right?
Right, absolutely.
Absolutely. I ain't never pedaling no bike at all. If I haven't mentioned it, I haven't been making as many videos. Me and Miss Dee Dee have been very busy on the farm as well as other things. I may make a video on what we've been doing. So it's been really tough and difficult to get the videos out like I should. I appreciate the Patreons for sticking with me, and there's definitely no hard feelings if you want to take a break from that. I appreciate support that you guys give me, and I do appreciate the support that you guys give me with the liking and sharing and subscribing and stuff like that. It's just right now super tough because of the current political climate, as I will call it. We've just been busy doing some other stuff, preparing some other things. If you know, you know. If you know what I'm talking about, you get my drift. But that's what we've been doing. And it to us has taken priority over doing videos and stuff like that. A lot of events are coming up. A lot of motorcycle events are coming up because this is getting the season, it's getting cooler. A lot of northern bikers are going to come down, so there'll be a lot more events. And so definitely within the next few weeks, there'll be way more videos coming out. And I'll get back onto my schedule. But in the meantime, yeah, in the meantime, Miss Dee Dee is still walking around Sarasota. All right.
Okay, here we go. You're recording.
Well, if I was recording, why would you say something? Hello again. Hello. Oh. Again. Cut! Cut!
Now for the disclaimer. SHOVELHEADFFEJ at SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com is not responsible for...
Not available in 48 states.
SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com.
Yeehaw!